The Korean language has various politeness levels, and you need to choose which of them to use depending on the situation. But did you know that a certain 존댓말 form can be used to be playful and also sarcastic? Today, let's talk about how to add sarcasm to your Korean sentences. I'm Yeji Kim, and you're watching Talk to Me in Korean. Alright, let's get right to the point. It's the honorific suffix 시 that can be used to add some sarcasm to your sentences. Interesting, right? So in its normal usage, 시 is used to show respect for the person you're talking about or talking to. For example, you can say 손님 왔어 about a guest. 손님 왔어, which means your guest is here. But you can also say 손님 오셨어, 오셨어, to show respect about the guest while still talking in 반말, casual language. In other words, by adding 시, you show politeness to the person who is talked about, which is 손님 in this sentence. If you want to learn more about 시, go to our website, talktomeinkorean.com, and find Essential Korean course Level 5, Lesson 2. And I'll put the link in the description. But in the following situations, it's apparent that the usage of 시 is far from showing respect.
이제 그만하시지. 저기 오시네. 그만 먹고 싶으시대.
In these sentences, the speaker used 시 even though he had no intention to be respectful to the person being talked about. To put it simply, you can be sarcastic by using 시 to the person about whom you normally don't use 존댓말. But even if you've used 존댓말 to the person, you can still be sarcastic by changing your intonation. And for the third sentence, 세 번째 문장은요. Sometimes moms and dads playfully use 존댓말 to their babies when their babies give them a hard time. You know, it's kind of like how you can jokingly say yes sir in English to your little boy. Now let's talk about the intonation. Intonation is really important when you say sarcastic sentences. And I guess it's pretty much the same in many other languages, right? So you want to raise the tone of the end of your sentence a little bit. I'll repeat the three sentences both in a sarcastic manner and in a plain normal manner so you can hear the difference. 이제 그만하시지. 이제 그만해. 저기 오시네. 저기 오네. 그만 먹고 싶으시대. 그만 먹고 싶대. You can tell the difference, right? Okay, once again. 한 번 더 들어볼게요. 이제 그만하시지. 이제 그만해. 저기 오시네. 저기 오네. 그만 먹고 싶으시대. 그만 먹고 싶대. I brought some clips from our previous videos where this sarcastic 시 is used. 함께 보시죠.
지금 이름 쓴 건데요?
와, 스펠링 틀렸어.
아, 아이구나.
여기 스펠링 틀렸어요, 여러분. 와, 대박. 좋은 동료. 역시 좋은 동료시네요. 역시 좋은 동료시네요. 역시 좋은 동료시네요. 오늘 레슨 저 다 이해하고 있어요. 저 똑똑하죠?
네. 대단하시네요. 대단하시네요. 대단하시네요.
Alright. I hope this video has given you a little bit of an insight into Korean culture. 재밌었죠?
재밌었겠지. 워낙 잘 가르치시니까.
And if you want to learn more about general Korean sarcasm, please let me know in the comments. Then I'll see you in the next one. 다음 시간에 뵐게요. Talk every day. 안녕! Hey guys, did you enjoy the lesson? If you want to study Korean with more advanced materials, we have a lot of them waiting for you on our website, talktomeinkorean.com. And if you want to listen to natural conversations between native Korean speakers, check out our 비빔채 lessons on Talk to Me in 100% Korean channel. I'll see you there. Bye bye.